Is Sony Bravia a QLED TV? Let's find out. No, Sony Bravia TVs are not QLED TVs. Samsung is the primary manufacturer of QLED, quantum dot light emitting diode. TVs which use quantum dot technology to deliver vibrant colors and high brightness. Sony, on the other hand, focuses on OLED and LED technologies for its Bravia lineup. Sony's OLED TVs are renowned for their perfect blacks and infinite contrast ratios, while their LED models offer excellent brightness and color accuracy. Sony also incorporates advanced processors like the X1 Ultimate to enhance picture quality across its range. If you're specifically looking for QLED technology, Samsung is the brand to consider, but Sony Bravia excels in OLED and LED innovations for stunning visuals. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.